What's going on, guys? So, as I've said before, we're slowly getting out of our Stihl products. Just a few more things left to sell off, and I just wanted to do some final review videos on stuff we've had for a very long time. So, this string trimmer here is the FS111RX. This string trimmer right here, first off, I gotta say, is my go-to and has been my one and only favorite Stihl string trimmer that I've used for a long time. This string trimmer is 4 years old. So first off, before I get into details, I want to show you guys. There's almost no rubber grip left on this thing. As you can see, if that focuses. You can see the wear and tear. You can see how old this thing is, top to bottom. This thing is 4 years old. Absolutely loved it. Super light, super easy to maintain, and this is my go-to string trimmer. So, a few things about this model. This model has what's called down here, I believe it's a hollow drive shaft. So, this specific model, the 111RX, cannot have a brush cutter or any type of field brush, whatever you want to call it, the thick heavy blades on the end, because of the hollow drive shaft. This whole thing is hollow. This thing is super light. I love it. If you're string trimming for 8-10 hours a day, Stihl wise, this is my go-to, hands down. So that's the thing with this guy. You can't have any crazy weird attachments on that end. Now I can tell you one thing I do with all of my Stihl string trimmers is we do Echo speed feed heads. Absolutely love them. Listen, I've given away all of my Stihl heads when we do this, when we buy these pieces of equipment, sorry. It's too much. Taking the bottom piece off and then spooling the line through the thing and then putting it in and then having extra spool, that's not a thing anymore. So this Echo speed feed heads, you can have a giant wad of string trimmer line and fill that thing up in less than a minute. Hands down, every string trimmer we buy that was Stihl, I'd switch the Echo speed feed heads right off the bat. So that's what we did to all of our string trimmers, and you'll see them when these videos come out. But just like every other string trimmer, this does have the gearbox grease right here. You have to grease that. Everyone forgets to grease that. So like I said, about weight wise, this thing's got to be about 10 to 11 pounds. Super, super light. And it makes a big difference when you're string trimming all day long. I can tell you that right now. It's just, you know, it's a go-to. If you're string trimming with a heavy string trimmer like the 131 and up, it's way too heavy. But price-wise on this thing, guys, again, this is before, oh my gosh, around COVID, definitely before inflation and all that craziness the last few years. It was like $480. So it's probably more now, but this was $480. I remember that. Price-wise, obviously, guys, everything we use Stihl, we use the Stihl premium mix, 100%. I don't go with any off-brand, any weird stuff from Walmart, none of that. 100% Stihl. I know everyone has their own opinions with AmSoil and all that kind of stuff. Whatever, it's fine. Anything top quality, but when you're spending this amount of money, you want something that's not cheap, you know? Besides that, we've always put Stihl 360 in everything. If you guys have seen my videos, you know we put Stihl in everything from winter storage to the 360 year-round, everything. Besides that, I mean, for the last 4 years, I have marked down that I've adjusted the valves one time on this thing, which is awesome, obviously. But besides that, guys, you got the choke here. Up top here is the spark plug and the valves, primer bulb, and the air filters on this side with one of those wrenches you buy, or that comes with it, I'm sorry. I'll do a quick startup, guys, but like I said, I usually don't prime it if there's fuel in that bulb and I have it choked, but we'll see what happens. So give me 1 second. And it does have the auto choke, so it will come off when it's done. It is the winter, there's snow on the ground. Usually when it comes to this stuff, I let it run for at least 5 minutes or so before I run anything full throttle. So that's not at full throttle at all. That is just the engine running. I did hit it a little bit to feather it, but that's it, guys. So FS 111RX, hands down my personal string trimmer from Stihl. My 100% favorite I've ever ran, ever used, long days, fatigue wise. This is my go-to. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Like I said, I do all my own maintenance, valves, things like that, so I can definitely help you out if you have any questions like that. And this is 4 years old, guys. 4-year review. Thank you for watching.